Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking the power bank's charge and positioning it for wireless charging. Turn the unit on with the power button. The LED indicators tell you the battery percent. Once done, plug the USB-C input into a 5V/3A adapter if the internal battery is low. Make sure the wireless coil side faces up and clear metal or thick cases from the device you want to charge. You're now ready to place your phone on the coil to initiate communication between devices. You should align your phone carefully. Place its wireless charging receiver directly over the power bank's coil and keep it steady. You'll hear or see the charging indicator on your phone when alignment is correct. If charging doesn't start, make sure the phone's wireless feature is enabled and battery saver is off, because some modes block wireless input. For faster charging, connect a cable from the bank's USB-A or USB-C output to your device. Use the appropriate quick charge profile when available. When your device reaches full charge, remove it to prevent heat buildup and press the power button to conserve the bank's battery. If wireless charging fails, first reposition the phone and retry. If still no response, reboot the power bank by holding the power button for about 10 seconds to reset its controller. Make sure there are no metal objects between devices and consider removing thick or magnetic cases. If problems persist, test wired output to isolate whether the issue is the wireless coil.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.